Bird dog with mini band reach. Grab a small resistance band, mini band. Grab something very light. This is the lightest resistance that I have. You really don't need much for this one at all. And then from there, you'll just do a bird dog variation. So you'll get set up the same way. You want this band to be around your wrists, be on your hands and knees, and then instead of reaching like up, which again, you want to make sure you're not arching your back anyway, but instead of reaching up, you might have to reach your leg down a little bit more for this one. With your hand, you definitely will. So you'll just reach out in front with your hand and tap here, and you can tap with your opposite leg. And then same thing on the other side. So you will feel it in your arms and your shoulders a little bit, but it is going to give your abs a little extra work in a different way from doing a regular bird dog. So just make sure, you know, that your back is pretty flat and not arching like that, and then reaching out in front of you, probably down a little bit more than you would for a traditional bird dog, and you'll just alternate